is for registration, authentication and verification of the names of the beneficiary, where the beneficiary will come. The names are already entered on the registration app. So the person who is sitting at the registration counter, he will verify the beneficiary by one of the identity proofs like Aadhaar card, PAN card or driving license. Once he is satisfied with his identity proof, then the beneficiary will move to the next counter, that is the authentication counter, where the names will be entered on the app called CoWIN app. Once that is done, the beneficiary moves to the second room, that is the actual vaccination room. Only one beneficiary will be allowed at one particular time. In that room, only one beneficiary and one vaccinator will be there, who is the ANM from the health department. Before giving the vaccination to the beneficiary, the vaccinator will tell all the process to the beneficiary, that why the COVID vaccine is given, what the beneficiary is supposed to do after receiving the vaccine, when is the second dose of the vaccine the beneficiary has to come. All this information will come to the patient, to the beneficiary on his or her mobile. Once the vaccine is received, the beneficiary moves to the last room, that is called observation room, where the beneficiary has to sit for 30 minutes. In this room, the doctor, medical officer and the sister will be there to observe the beneficiary for any side effects. If at all any side effect occurs, we have got all the facilities to tackle the side effects. We will handle the side effects if at all it occurs. If there are no side effects, the beneficiary is allowed to go home. This is the actual process.
वॅक्सिन पॅटर्न कॅरी केला कशी प्रोसिजर
The vaccine is supplied from the main DHS from state level.
आणि ते रिस्टोर कसे केला प्रिझर्व कसे केला
The vaccine has to be stored in the ILR, that is the ice-line refrigerator, at a temperature of 2 to 8 degrees centigrade. And the same temperature will be maintained throughout the process.
Your name?
My name is Bakli Agir. I am the staff of Urban Health Center, Panjim. So I was one of the beneficiary, but when I came here for the vaccination, for the mock drill, so when I went inside, I seen that my name was there in the list as a beneficiary, but in the system my name was not there. So because of that, I was sent back. So I'm not the beneficiary for this program.
So you are still waiting for,
I am still waiting. If they call me, I will be taking the vaccine.
okay, total number of people are waiting over here for the...
Nearly total 25 beneficiaries are there. So right now only 3 have gone inside, and I have gone inside, but I have been sent back as my name is not there in the system. But I got a message as a beneficiary, but I can't take it because my name is not there in the system.
But you have shown your message to the doctor and all, the in
They
charge.
have checked. They have
But
checked.
what they are saying?
They have yesterday they have a meeting in the collector level also. So my doctor is supervisor Dr. Manisha. She has spoken to the collector people and she checked whether my name, but that something is wrong in the list. So she said if they get a message, they'll call me.